This is Nala. She's a Seka falcon from the Middle East and she's 2 years old. You can crossbreed these birds with other falcons and just the same as peregrine falcons.
I've not heard that one for ages, eh? Baldy hair. See you later.
This is Benji. He's a Bengal eagle owl from Bengal in India. He's 5 years old and we've had him since he was an egg. He's other known in his country the Indian eagle owl. This is one of the easiest owls to train, along with the barn owl, and not many other birds of prey can train as well as this bird.
Get him to go on your wrist.
This is how big his wing is.
Ah.
This is a baby barn owl. It hatched 4 weeks ago. We haven't got a name for it yet because we don't know if it's a male or a female. Right now I'm its mummy and its daddy. I'm feeding it every 2 hours, up all night feeding it. It should be able to fly, but it can't fly just now. This is Benji. He's a Bengal eagle owl from Bengal in India. He's 5 years old. We've had him since he was a chick. He's other known in his country the Indian eagle owl. This is one of the easiest bird owl to train in the world, as long as the owl